Oh, hi. I'm just doing a little reading up on baking. You know, biscuits, scones, pancakes, quick breads. It's really quite fascinating. Well, hey, I'm gonna go wash my hands and I'll meet you in the kitchen. We'll do a little baking together. Okay, so we've washed our hands and we're ready to get baking. We're going to start off with a basic cream biscuit recipe. This involves mixing dry ingredients, adding cream, then we're going to pat it out and cut biscuits. This doesn't involve cutting flour and butter together, which is a more complex method, which we'll move on to next. I've preheated my oven to 375 degrees, and let's get started. We're going to start off following our recipe with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. This is unsifted. Even when I'm not sifting flour, I like to fluff it a little bit so that it's not compacted. And we take that, we just level it off. So we've got 2 cups of flour. To that, we're going to look at our recipe and we're going to add 2 level teaspoons of sugar. I've got sugar in a bowl here. Level that off. And we're going to do 2 teaspoons of sugar. To that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And baking powder cans usually have this handy little thing that levels it off for you. So we're just going to 1 level teaspoon of baking powder. And I think we've got salt, which is 1/2 teaspoon. And I've got some salt in a bowl here. This is kosher salt. Level that off. Add that. And I'm going to grab a wire whip here. And we're going to whisk our dry ingredients together. This is basically just to incorporate them all together, so that when we add our cream, we're not collecting just the baking powder or just the salt. So we've got our dry ingredients whisked together. We're going to add 1/2 cup of heavy cream. 1.5 cups, I'm sorry. And as you can see by our liquid measure, we've got exactly 1.5 cups there. We're going to add that to our dry ingredients, and we're going to mix this together with a wooden spoon. In this particular case, we don't want to overmix. We just want to pull all our dry ingredients together to form a nice soft dough. And as you can see, they're coming together nicely. So we've got the consistency we want. You see it's sticky, it's kind of wet right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to set our spoon aside. And we're going to grab a little bit of flour here and just dust our board with flour. This is going to give us a non-stick surface to knead our dough on. Most biscuit and pie crust, scone dough is things you don't want to over-knead, you don't want to over-mix. This particular recipe actually benefits from being a little bit kneaded a little bit longer. So we've got nice floured board. It's keeping our hands, it's keeping the dough from sticking to the board. We're going to knead this for about 30 seconds. And by kneading, I'm rolling, pushing the palms of my hands forward. Then I'm going to turn it, pushing the palms of my hand forward again through the dough. And if it starts to stick a little bit, you just keep turning it, adding a little more flour to your board. And as you can see, from the sticky dough we had before, we've now got a nice smooth looking dough, nice and soft. And this dough is actually very silky. And when we get to about this consistency, maybe add a little more flour, just because now we're going to pat this out and cut it. So after kneading for about 30 seconds, see we've got a nice consistent dough, very uniform. We're going to pat this out. I could use a rolling pin and roll this out, but I don't necessarily want to beat it down any more than I have to. I'm going to get this down to about 3/4 of an inch And then taking a traditional biscuit cutter, you dip that in a little flour to keep it from sticking. And we're just going to cut out some nice biscuits here. Transfer them to an ungreased baking sheet. You could also use a parchment paper lined baking sheet. And we'll cut our biscuits here. Okay, so we've got our biscuits cut. They're on an ungreased cookie sheet. Our oven is preheated to 375 degrees. We're going to pop these in for about 15 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown and fluffy. Alrighty, so our biscuits are nice and golden brown. Set those aside, they're nice and hot. And if we break one open, you'll see we've got a nice flaky crumb. What I'm doing now is cutting fat into flour, in this case butter, in order to form a dough for scones. You know, there's a faster, easier way to do this with your home food processor. I have mise en place here, which means to have everything in place, which is really important in baking because you're dealing with chemical reactions and exact measurements. So in this case, I've pre-measured everything out, and we're just going to assemble our ingredients. So I'm going to remove the top from my food processor. I'm going to add 2 cups of flour. This is all-purpose flour. 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to put our cover back on and engage the lock. And we're going to just pulse this a couple of times just to get our ingredients mixed together. And we're going to remove that. And we're going to add 5 tablespoons of chilled butter. You want your butter nice and firm so that it breaks up and makes kind of a sandy texture. And we're going to pulse this 12 times for approximately 1 second each time. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And now we're going to open this up and just take a look at our consistency. And as you can see here, we've still got a few small clumps of butter, but it's kind of like the same texture as sand. Okay, now to that we're going to add 1/2 cup of Zante currants. Currants are basically raisins, raisins that are made from champagne grapes or Zante grapes. Now we're going to put our cover back on. We're going to pulse this just a couple of more times, just to get those ingredients mixed up. And as you can see, flour makes a mess. Baking at home is always a little messy. So I'm going to grab a mixing bowl here and dump our dry ingredients into there. And we're just going to set this aside. So as you can see, I've got my currants, my almonds, my butter and flour. And again, this is kind of a sandy or gravelly consistency. And to that, I am going to add 1 cup of pre-measured heavy cream. Make sure we get all of our cream in there. And then we're just going to stir this up. We don't want to overmix. We just want to kind of gather all these dry ingredients together. And this is going to form kind of a loose dough. As you can see, it's very similar in texture at this point to our biscuit dough that we did earlier. And once we get it to about this consistency, still very sticky, but you can see there's lots of crumbs in there. Let's scrape this off. And we're going to flour our board like we did before. We're going to need this. We're not going to need this probably quite as much as we did our biscuit dough. Again, scones, this is a soft dough method. And we just want to gather this all together. And we're going to knead this probably 10 or 12 times on our board. Like I said, we don't want to over knead because our scones will be tough. We want a nice flaky consistency. So we're just going to pushing our palms forward and turning our dough. We're going to knead this 10 to 12 times. And for those of you scoring at home, that's 12. So I could probably press this out the same way we did our biscuit dough, but in this case I'm going to use a rolling pin. There's a traditional wooden rolling pin. I prefer marble. This is non-porous and less likely to stick. Hit that with a little bit of flour. And I've got the weight of the marble, so I don't have to put nearly as much pressure on it. And again, we're going to roll this out to about 3/4 of an inch. Make a nice rectangle here. Set our rolling pin aside. Now, traditionally, scones are cut in triangles. I prefer mine a little smaller. So we're using a bench cutter here. In this case, it's a crinkle cut bench cutter. And we're just going to cut these into 3 strips. Separate those strips. And then we're just going to cut small triangles. Grab an ungreased cookie sheet here, and we're going to set our scones out. And again, cutting into small triangles. Nice uniform size will ensure uniform baking. And space them out evenly on your cutting board. Okay, so now these are our baking sheet, uniform size, placed pretty much evenly apart. I'm going to brush the tops of these with a little bit of just heavy cream. You could also use an egg wash, which would be just kind of beaten up egg whites. And you could also top them with just some sugar. Or if you go to your local baking store, you can buy sanding sugar, which is a coarser sugar that'll put a nice kind of flaky appearance on them. And I'm only going to brush about half of these so that when we pull them out of the oven, you can see the difference. This is just going to put a nice glossy shine on them. Got my oven preheated to 425 degrees. We're going to pop these in, and they'll take probably 12 to 15 minutes as well. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes. Our scones are nicely browned here. So as you can tell, if you look at them, the ones on this half of the pan are the ones we brushed with a little cream. They're a little shinier. The ones on the other half have a little duller finish. No real difference in flavor, just kind of an appearance thing. Okay, we've done a couple of doughs. Now we're going to move on to batters. And the first one we're going to do is a pourable batter, which is a pancake batter. This recipe's been in my family for over 100 years, and I know it like the back of my hand. So we've got 7 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 1/2 cup of baking powder. The difference between baking soda and baking powder is baking soda is a leavening agent that reacts with acid, which in this case is going to be our buttermilk, and baking powder reacts with heat. Baking powder is more commonly used in cakes, which we'll see later. So I'm going to mix up my dry ingredients, just like we did before, just to make sure that they're fully incorporated. And we're going to set those aside for just a moment. And then in a larger bowl, we're going to add 8 cups, or 2 quarts, or 1/2 gallon of buttermilk. And like I said, this is going to provide the acid that's going to react and cause the leavening of our baking soda. And to that, we're going to crack 6 whole eggs. We'll crack them into a separate bowl first to make sure we don't have any shells. Always crack eggs on a flat surface. If you crack against the side of a bowl, your tendency will be to have shards of the eggshell, which will break off. So as we crack these, put 6 into a bowl, and we're just going to mix them up very lightly, add them to our buttermilk. And in this instance, we're going to be adding our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. So we're just going to whip these up a little bit. And we're going to add the eggs to our buttermilk. And again, we're just going to quick mix that up a little bit. And then we're going to add our dry to our wet. Now the key to a successful pancake batter is you don't want to overmix. You want a nice, stiff but pourable batter. It's going to appear a little bit lumpy. Whip that up just a little bit. If you overbeat pancake batter, your pancakes are going to be thin and kind of lifeless and tend to be flat. I like my pancakes thick and cakey. Okay, so as you can see, it's a well-mixed batter, but it's still got a few lumps in it. Tap the batter off of that. And to that, we're going to add 1/2 cup of melted butter. Just incorporating a little bit of fat to our batter. And we're just going to stir that in gently just until it's mixed in so that we don't, again, overbeat our batter. And when you can see that the butter is thoroughly mixed in, that is a perfect pancake batter. I like to let my batter rest for about 30 minutes before I start baking it on the griddle. That allows that acid to interact with the baking soda, and we'll get our first rise out of that. Okay, so the recipe that you just saw is for a half a batch of what I actually made. This is Grandma's batch. This is what I grew up with. I've cut the other one down for you for a more family-sized batch for yourselves. Now, I've got a nice hot griddle here. This is 350 to 375 degrees. I prefer to use a healthy amount of oil because I like my pancakes crisp on the outside. So we're just going to spread this around a little bit. And we're just going to ladle these on. And we'll get a nice sizzle going under each one of them. And again, this is a pretty stiff batter, but it is still considered a pourable batter. And we'll start off there, see how we come out. Okay, now after about 2.5, maybe 3 minutes, you can see that they're starting to get bubbly around the edges, starting to dry a little bit. That's